If you're having a hard time getting an emergency fund started and keeping one going, then this is just the video for you. I can show you how to save money for an emergency fund with a 52-week savings challenge and working with small amounts of money. And that will help you to be consistent. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yes, it does. So join me in this savings challenge that I have. It will help you and you will be glad that you did. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone and hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy if you have some money to tap into when emergency comes. The last thing you want to do is be in this situation when emergency comes. No, you want to have some money to tap into. And I realize because of, someone's situation, they may think, oh, I can't save money for emergency. Yes, you can. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need for this savings challenge is a container, and I call this my money bottle savings challenge. And what else you're going to need is some money. Yay! And the amount of money you're going to need is $20 bills. Now, from 2024 to 2025, I did this savings challenge. And, and I was stuffing it with, and this is considered cash stuffing, I was stuffing it with 10 $1 bills, okay? So, at the end of 2024, it was $500 in here, okay? Stuffing it with 10 $1 bills. Now, the goal is to save $1,000 because we know we need at least $1,000 to save for emergency fund, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. For instance, if your living expenses are $1,000, multiply that times 3, that's $3,000. Multiply that times 6, that's $6,000, okay? And then that way, if something like this happens, this here, and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can still buy food. You can keep things going. And if you have something like this going on, you'll have money to tap into to take care of those things, take care of those repairs. Yeah. And so I decided on this savings challenge, I'm going to increase the amount to $21 bills every Monday, okay? Because it took 2 years to save $1,000 in this. And this happens to be a new bottle. Okay? I went out and bought a new bottle. Okay? I got this from Walmart in case you want to know. And it was about $14 or $15, somewhere in there. It was full of water. I brought it home, poured the water out, and let it dry real good. And we're going to cash stuff this with $21 bills. So by the end of 2026, it should be $1,000. And that'll be your $1,000 emergency fund. Okay? And I'm just trying to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies if they're not. I came across an ad that said the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency. That's not a lot of money, but it can seem like thousands of dollars if you don't have it. Okay? Now, saving money for an emergency fund will keep you from having to go out and get one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these. This here is this. And we want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, they are. No, we don't. And it keeps us in a hole. Keeps us from being financially free. We want to also be financially free. So in order to do that, we need to have good behavior with money, live on less than what we make, watch our spending, staying out of this, okay, and not running up a bunch of these. And that can help us also to be financially free, okay? And another thing that will help if you do whatever you can to pay this off. Try to come out of debt with this, okay? This also can help you to be financially free if you don't have to pay for this, okay? All right, now, this here is good because this is considered other people's money. And when you do this, this can help you to have passive income and become financially free. Yeah. Okay, now, this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation. But if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Try to have multiple streams of income because you never know what's going to happen to the one that you have. So you want to have multiple streams of income. All right, that way you can still keep things going. And if this is your situation, this here and this, it's a great savings challenge because, like I said, you're working with small amounts of money. Surely, you can get $20 out of your salary, out of your pay, however you get paid. Okay? All right. Now, we also are doing daily affirmations. The Bible teaches us death and life is in the power of our tongue. Call those things as being out as though they were, and we have what we say. So if we say we're broke, that's what we're going to be. We don't want to speak negative things. We want to speak positive. We want to believe, receive, and expect it to happen. Okay? Then it starts like this. I decree and I declare, large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare, I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare, I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare, I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare, my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. Okay? I decree and I declare, all of my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare, I am financially free. I decree and I declare, I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare, I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Believe it, receive it, expect it, start visualizing it in your mind. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money bottle. Uh-oh, gotta take the top off. You know what? I'm just gonna count this and then add it all in because I don't want this video to be too long. 1, 2, see, these are $1 bills, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? I'll just put a few in first. Okay? Yay! This is our first money bottle savings challenge for 2026. Okay. Now, those daily affirmations, write those down and speak them every day, all day, as much as you can. Okay? You can get something like this. This is a planner that I just got from Dollar Tree for $1.25. And it has a place in here for like notes. Okay, see that? Can you see that? And you can write your affirmations there. All right, so let's go ahead and record. Today is Tuesday, January 6th, and this is our money bottle savings challenge. And we added $20. And the total amount is $20. Okay? All right. So, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge. And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day. And happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.